If your Honda CR-V refuses to start, don't panic, as most common issues are simple enough to fix at home. Statistically, 8 out of 10 starting problems are traced directly back to a dead battery or loose terminal connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint exactly why your engine stays silent. Start by checking for terminal corrosion, verifying your dashboard lights aren't dim, and ensuring the shifter is firmly in park. The most frequent culprits are a degraded battery cell, a corroded chassis ground, or a failing ignition switch. If power is solid, start looking at the starter relay, the motor itself, or even a fuel delivery restriction. You can easily handle terminal cleaning and fuse checks, but leave starter replacements and computer diagnostics to the professionals. Repair costs vary wildly, with battery replacements being the most affordable starting point for your wallet. Use an OBD-I scanner to pull codes, and a multimeter to confirm your battery is providing enough voltage under load. Keep a 10 wrench, a wire brush, and a portable jump pack in your trunk to handle most roadside emergencies. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery negative terminal before touching any starter components. If these steps don't solve your issue, it's time to call a pro. Thanks for watching and stay road ready.